In this video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite ways on how you can take cassava. Now, there's only one option really, so let's get straight into it. So all you're going to need to do to get started is you're simply going to need a bowl. You need something to put it in. You can even use a mug of some sort. And you're basically just going to want to take 2 scoops of this, put it in the bowl. That's the serving size, 2 scoops. 1 scoop, that's 2 scoops right there. And once you've done that, all you're going to need is you need some sort of milk. Now, personally, you could use water. I've done it with water before, but I personally like to use macadamia nut milk or like these koi things. This one's banana cream flavor. There's also like chocolate and like vanilla and just like a bunch of like cinnamon flavor. That's my favorite. But I personally just like pour about half of this into there. So about like, I don't know, less than a cup. It depends on how much you actually want it to be like creamy or dense. And you can see right there, just to get a fork, and you just want to mix it up. It's going to take you like 20-30 seconds. And because one of my bags was actually almost empty, I just added a little more powder, and because I also want it to be a little more dense, not like pure liquid. And then from here, you're simply going to want to enjoy your cake batter cassava. Now, vanilla or chocolate, it tastes really good either way. I like vanilla. I also like to alternate between them, but if you found this helpful, consider liking the video. You can always add more liquid if you want it to be less dense, or vice versa. You can add so much liquid, it's like a drink if you do want to just drink it straight up. Found this helpful? Consider liking the video and subscribing down below. Have a great day and happy eating.